Audit Trail. The system includes a full audit trail to ensure transparency and accountability across all activities. Every change made within the system is automatically recorded, including who made the change, what was changed, and the exact time the change occurred. This allows administrators to easily review activity history and track modifications to records whenever necessary. For additional safety, records cannot be permanently deleted from the system. When a record is deleted, it is moved to the recycle bin where it remains recoverable if needed. This ensures that important information is never permanently lost and that all actions remain fully traceable.